Tata Motors Sanand-1 plant achieved a significant milestone by producing its 1-millionth car. The facility, established in January 2010 for small cars, has evolved into a launchpad for electric and factory-fitted CNG vehicles. Covering 1,100 acres, it contributes 20% to Tata Motors' total car production. The plant's versatility includes manufacturing petrol, CNG, and electric powertrains, with a current capacity of 1.9 lakh cars. Shailesh Chandra, MD of Tata Motors Passenger Vehicle and Tata Passenger Electric Mobility, highlighted the plant's comprehensive and automated operations, emphasizing its importance in the company's production landscape. Today's next news is, BlackRock Inc. has appointed Maheshwar Nataraj to oversee its private credit business in India. Citing the region's exciting opportunities, Nataraj, previously responsible for managing private credit investments in India, takes the lead as BlackRock aims to capitalize on the country's fast-growing market. The move comes as BlackRock's Director for Private Credit in India, Dhruva Agarwal, departs for family reasons. The financial industry, anticipating significant growth in Asia, including India, has seen increased staffing by banks and private credit funds. Today's next news is, major private sector coal companies, including Adani Power Limited, JSW Group Limited, and Essa Power Limited, are reconsidering investments in new and existing power plants, marking a shift from a 7-year hiatus. The trend reflects a potential end to the capital strike initiated by massive losses and the rise of renewable energy. India's coal power generation, initially projected to peak between 2025 and 2027, may see a resurgence due to solar cost declines outpacing deployment. The government anticipates a 50% increase in coal demand by 2030, potentially essential to meet growing power needs if renewable projects lag. Today's next news is, amid speculation of a new foreign minister at China's National People's Congress, senior diplomat Wang Yi is expected to retain his role. While Wang is respected, China faces challenges in global influence and friendships. Despite highlighting key foreign policy issues like the US, Taiwan, and Russia, China needs a new envoy to reset tones and rebuild goodwill. Wang has maintained relations but criticized the US, signaling tensions. President Xi Jinping prioritizes domestic stability as global pressures escalate, potentially hindering China's international standing.